Marjorie. Come on. Here. Come on, Skippy. They love wheat. There you go. Here. Okay, you want to go in? It's getting cold. You want to go in? Come on, let's go in. Let's go home. Come on. Come on, you want to see the camera? Look, say hi. See, look at my pretty comb. I've got olive oil on it so it doesn't freeze. That's such a pretty baby. Okay. Come on. Put it in there. Okay. Here's Mildred. This is Mildred. Look at Mildred. There's Mildred. Isn't Mildred pretty? She got pretty feathers. She lays big eggs. Big eggs. She's a good girl. She's a baby. Come on, everybody in. Come on. Get in. Come on. Well, did you come out again? Well, bless my soul. In. Come on. Come on. Come on. Say goodbye. I'm going in. Come on, Millie. Come on, Millie. Oh, goodbye. No. What are we going to do with you? This one is shy. She won't let me pick her up. Come on. All right, you can go in the door. Come on. Come on. But she wants to go in. She said, where have my buddies gone? Where have all the girls gone? See, she doesn't like me to pick her up. No, she's a shy one. There. There you go. Bye-bye. That's it. Bye-bye, chickens.